and in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get a digital vaccine card for all California residents. Let's begin this tutorial. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to this government website called myvaccinerecord.cdph.ca.gov. And once you reach this website, please scroll down until you see these questions that you have to fill out. So please enter your first name, last name, and your birth date. And then please provide the website with your cell phone number, and then please create a 4-digit PIN. And then please accept the terms and conditions, and then push submit. And then once you have done this, you will receive instructions on how to add your vaccine card into your cell phone as well. So essentially, you can choose either the phone route or the email route, where you'll receive a link to get the vaccine cards, and then all you have to do is add it into your phone. If you have found this tutorial to be helpful, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.